Welcome to this week's AI Wrap-Up. Let's have a closer look at the latest from the world of artificial intelligence. Coming out from OpenAI this week was the release of a new webinar on how to best utilize OpenAI's new o1 model. I've provided a link in the description box below to watch this for yourself. It highlights the model's ability to break down complex problems into actionable steps, enhance research with process verification, and optimize coding tasks with its o1 mini feature. In other OpenAI news, the company has released a desktop app for Windows, available through the Microsoft Store. While it's in beta, users can access all their favorite models, with a full release expected later this year. Additionally, in a recent post on the Singularity community in Reddit, a new clip from OpenAI CPO on discussing how the legal world is using OpenAI and saving thousands of dollars. Over at Google, NotebookLM is also making waves with new updates. Users can now guide AI podcast summaries by customizing topics or adjusting expertise levels. A pilot for NotebookLM Business is also on the way, featuring enhanced tools for teams and higher usage limits. You can sign up to join the pilot today. Now to HeyGen, they have added 50+ new stock avatars and 400+ new footage clips for every kind of video you need. Check them out at heygen.com. If you haven't already checked out the community on Reddit called AI Video, it's certainly worth a look to see all the latest user videos using models such as Minimax, Runway, Vidu, and Kling. There are some very creative people in that group. Finally, a recent clip from Stuart Russell, which was a bit of a concerning future outlook.
There are plenty of experts who are predicting that by the end of this decade, so 6 years from now, we will have AI systems that exceed human capabilities in every dimension. So that literally means that there isn't a job that the AI system won't be able to do cheaper and better